Struggling to deliver visible slimming results that keep customers coming back? Are outdated body sculpting tools slowing down your treatments? Your clients deserve better results, and your salon deserves a cutting-edge solution. Meet the game changer for body contouring, 6D Lipo Laser Pads Machine. Ready to see how this Lipo laser machine can elevate your body sculpting services? Advanced 6D laser lipolysis for tailored body shaping. The wavelength works individually to deliver precise shaping. With 6 wavelengths working together, it addresses stubborn fat effectively. Ensures smooth operation for quick, high-quality body treatments. Crafted with a robust metal main unit, this Lipo laser machine withstands daily high-frequency use. Each laser pad packs the power to sculpt and smooth with 17 light beads and 160 W energy. Transform more than bodies, revitalize skin, reduce inflammation, and promote relaxation for a holistic care. Transform your salon with precision, versatility, and results your clients will love.